We're going to do a little demonstration about 4 sealers from Tenax. We're going to use Hydrex, Proseal, Ager, and Ager Tiger, and we're going to treat this, then we're going to let it sit for 24 hours, and we're going to stain it with some materials and show you how well this works. So, I'm going to start with the Hydrex. Doesn't take much to seal this, you just wipe it on. If the stone gets wet, you have coverage. Let it sit there and soak in. Do another coat. We're doing this in direct sunlight, which isn't what they recommend. So we're going to do more coats than normal because we want to make sure that it absorbs into the stone and we get a good seal. That is just sucking it right up. Next, I'm going to use Proseal. Proseal is a resin-based product, so it'll take a little bit longer to absorb. Put the Ager Tiger here. now we're going to let these sit up for a few minutes and then buff off the excess, which is on the resin-based products. Okay, now it's 24 hours later. The products have all cured. We've taken off the masking tape and we've marked these. We had Hydrex, Proseal, Ager Tiger, and Ager. And you can see the color enhancement of the two products. We're going to stain this material. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some coffee put that on there. Then I'm going to take some cranberry raspberry juice. And the last thing I'm going to take is some olive oil. Okay, now it's about 100 degrees out. It's a nice cool day in Arizona. We're going to let this set up for a few minutes. You can see where it was sealed, it beaded right up. And where the tape was, it's dropping in there. That's pretty good. When it didn't affect any of these areas where the seal was. Now, let me go get some rags here. That oil is fun. You can see how where there was no sealer, it absorbed all three products. And where there was sealer, it didn't absorb anything. So these Tenax products, they all worked on this, and this is a piece of Juperana Colombo, and they all worked on this. So you can rest assured that these are high quality sealers.